Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm back with a tutorial video. I will show you how to make these realistic looking piercings for BJDs. What do you need? Thin crafting wire, glue which becomes transparent when it's dry and is removable with water. The head of the doll should be removed from the body, and of course you should have a plan for the piercings you want to give your doll. I need to glue this back as well. You also need the tiny spikes, which are nail art studs. They are available in different sizes and colors. And you need these tiny nail art pearls, which are also available in different colors and sizes. I bought mine at AliExpress. You also need the shaping tool and a cutting tool for the wire. Let's start with the snakebite rings, which are enclosed, maybe half moon shaped. The ring should cover half of the lips width only. This seems to fit perfectly. Make a second one in the same size. Okay, let's make a septum ring which is closed, cause the open version is really difficult to make. Shape and adjust it to your doll's nose, then cut the half round ring. I'm starting with gluing the septum ring. Just add some glue to a piece of paper and put the ends of the half-round ring into the glue. My doll's nose holes are very flat, so the ring won't stay like I want it to. In this case, I put something small between ring and lips, so the nose ring can dry like this. If you want a bridge piercing, simply add 2 small dots of glue on both sides of the nose and add the tiny pearls or spikes. If you want cyber bites, also add a small dot of glue and the pearls or spikes. Off camera, I added some glue and placed the tiny gem on the septum ring. Let's move on to the snake bites, which is the most difficult part today. Add some glue to one end of the half-round shaped wire. If your doll has an opened mouth, it's easier to apply those piercings in my opinion. Take your time to place them until you think they look perfect. Add a small dot of glue to the end of the wire and place the pearls as close as possible to the wire. Then put dots of glue on the lower line of the lips and add the pearls or spikes. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!